Hey guys, it's Remo, and one of the questions we get asked all the time, Remo, is it a good time to buy or is it a good time to sell or maybe both, right? And to really answer that question, it's really important to look at the data and really what's going on. So if you are buying, really what your competition, what you're going to be going up against, and if you're selling, what that looks like as well. So went back, looked at what happened in 2021 in the city of Whittier. This is unique to the city, and we'll be putting similar videos for our neighboring cities as well. But in the city of Whittier, properties that traded hands in 2021, there was 1,734 total transactions that happened on the multiple listing service or that were recorded on the multiple listing services. Now, this doesn't take in consideration private sales that happen. So this is just what's obviously public that a realtor would be able to see. So 1,734 properties traded hands. Now, that's an average on a monthly basis of about 145 properties. So that's really important to kind of keep that in the back of our mind, because on average about 145 properties trade hands every month, or were at least in 2021. Now, obviously, there's some months a little bit more, some are a little bit less, but generally speaking, we'll use that number 145. Now, the question is, well, how many homes are available for sale today? And as of today, this is January 12th at around 2 p.m. when the videos are being recorded. And as of today, 49 properties are available for sale in the whole city of Whittier. And then one of the numbers we mentioned was about 145 properties trade hands every single month. That means we have about 10 days worth of homes that if no new homes come on the market based on that consumption rate, then there's no homes available for sale. So this is a true definition of a really, really strong, it's probably an understatement, but seller's market, meaning sellers really get to dictate whatever terms it is that they want. So if you're selling, obviously that's an important thing to consider, because this is the time where sometimes what I always mention is, if you have a property that's not, the best looking property, maybe it has something a little weird, if you're on a busy street, back of an alley that backs, a grocery store, so things like that, where you're saying not as many people are gonna desire that type of property, generally speaking, versus your end of a cul-de-sac, quiet neighborhood, tree line street view of a street. So if you don't have that stuff, this is the time where maybe selling might make a little bit more sense. But back to the data. So I went back and I said, okay, well, how many homes are currently pending or active under contract? Meaning they accept an offer, they'll accept the backup offer, but they've already have an executed contract with another buyer. So 112 properties are currently in escrow in the city of Whittier. Again, 49 available. Our run rate, which how many properties sell every month on average from last year, is 145. So that puts us in a place where there's just not enough homes to be purchased. And obviously, with interest rates being low, there's a lot of buyers still out there. Again, let's continue with the data. So if you wanted to look at those 49 homes that are available in the city of Whittier, where are they going to be priced at? So 3 of them are priced under $600,000. That's it, 3 properties. Between $600,000 and $700,000, there's 10 properties. 7 of those are homes, 3 of them are condos. Between $700,000 and $800,000, there's 15 properties. 14 of those are homes. One of them is a condo. And between $800,000 and $900,000, 9 properties. Between $900,000 and $1 million, there's 8 properties available. So that's it. That's all available in the city of Whittier. I would say a few months ago, our active average homes were probably closer to 80 to about 120. But what we're seeing is less either the homes are being sold very quickly, and I think on average we're about 6 to 8 days on market. So homes are moving quickly, and not enough people are looking to sell, or enough people are actually selling. So if you're thinking about selling, again, incredible time. If you're thinking about buying, just know this is the kind of competition that you're going to be going up against. We put together a home buyer workshop, and one of the things that we kind of describe housing right now is, and I know this is now funny because it's behind us, but with the scarcity of toilet paper about a year ago, or maybe even a little bit longer now, That's really what housing looks like right now. It doesn't matter if it's one ply, it doesn't matter if it needs work, if it's a fixer upper, if it's brand new, anything, it doesn't matter. The buyers will be open to consuming it. And so this is not my view of it. This is what the data is showing us, right? And I think it's something that's really important. Again, whether you're buying or selling, it's really important to know these things. So if you found this video helpful, please let us know. If you are interested in having us do one of these for your cities to really get to know the numbers, then obviously let us know and we'll do that. My overall prediction of the market, you know, without my crystal ball, it's at the shop today. However, if I were to put kind of something out in the universe, I would say we see the consistent appreciation, maybe not as strong. The last year, 18 months, we've seen 10 to 20% appreciation in some, you know, neighborhoods even a little bit more than that. I do think we hopefully calm down a little bit, but we still see an upward trend on prices. Now, the other thing that's to be considered in the middle of this year, and we've already started seeing it, where the federal government starts tapering back their bond purchasing, meaning that interest rates over time, short term, will start going up. And so obviously, if you think the prices, the monthly payment is bad with these prices, when you add on 0.5% or 1% higher in interest rate to your interest rate, obviously that's going to even reflect a more expensive housing number. So again, if you're thinking about buying, I think it makes sense to do it in the short term. I know it's competitive. However, it's not going to get any prettier unless you're thinking about waiting 3 to 5 years and see how this all plays out. In the short term, I still think it's a strong time to buy as well. So thanks for watching, guys. All the best, and we'll see you soon. Bye.